world is empty. Govinda Vira, Sunya. Yes. 7 dances, it doesn't. Govinda, I find whole world is empty. That means outwardly separation, inwardly. Union. That Vira I say. Yes. Internal. That is inside. Outwardly, no, it's all empty, director. Yes.
Well, what if someone decided to preach to Mahaprabhu and say, you're mistaken? Krishna is everywhere. You've made a mistake.
That is there when Thaba came and spoke to Radharani and Gopis. We discussed it. Coming to her. So many things sometimes we discussed on what will you preach to Gauranga. those spoke of these things. And what answer he got? You see? Coming to her. Sometimes.
Yes.
Then. And now you are raising this or that question.
Well, to bring it to the, then with Mahaprabhu's devotees, what if, say, a father who enjoys the affection
I say, more you feel that pangs of separation, more acute. The union is very deep.
More intense.
More intense in the heart. It is that.
Union and separation.
Union and separation. Simultaneous. That is Gauranga. Understand? Yes.
He is following Ramachandra Puri's line.
Ramachandra Puri. And Ramachandra Puri is rejected by Mahaprabhu. Rejected. Get out. You understand? Yes. Ramachandra Puri is rejected.
He wants to preach to Mahaprabhu, oh, Krishna is everywhere.
Then Mahaprabhu rejected. Get out here.
he wasn't able to understand Madhavendra Puri's mood.
Imitate. What is imitating? Not to be imitated. If you imitate, then you reject it. Yes. Feel it, Baba. The core of the heart. Let that be more intense the bang. Yes.
You said earlier that the Shakti is independent in
Kripa
Mahaprabhu's
Shakti,
Lila.
Kripa Shakti. Who have Shakti? Kripa Shakti.
So, in
Kripa Shakti,
Mahaprabhu's...
mercy potency is independent. Yes.
So even though...
Other incarnations, she is not independent. She is under Isha Shakti. You understand? Will potency. But in this Mahaprabhu incarnation, she is independent. She is not under Isha Shakti. That is special. That I say. Yes.
Well, even though Mahaprabhu is the Supreme Lord himself, crying for union, but that Shakti never allows it. So, this Mahaprabhu is crying for union.
Yeah.
So he's the Supreme Lord, it should happen. But this independent Shakti won't let it happen.
But Baba, that independent Shakti, why he gave independence to that Kripa Shakti to distribute prema? You freely distribute. Therefore he gave independence. Now you are completely independent. Kripa Shakti. You understand? Now more under Ichha Shakti. You are complete. Now you can distribute this flame for all, that fruit. The love has become a fruit, ripened fruit, and innumerable fruits. You understand that tree bore innumerable and all ripened. Now you distribute to whomever you like. Indiscriminate. Independently distribute. That I said to you. I think you couldn't hear it properly. Couldn't hear it properly, couldn't understand it properly. Why are you saying that thing in the topic of separation. Such a fool.
When will you tell us, oh, Krishna entered the heart of Radharani and melted it?
Yes.
When will you say?
I said today in Oriya. I didn't say in English.
Oh.
Yeah.
Because when you started to speak, it's, oh, Maharaj is going to say it.
He became indebted. Why? Because I have no wealth to pay back the debt. But wealth is not with me. Wealth is with Radharani. That is Mahabhav. You understand? So how can I pay back? Beg, borrow or steal. If I beg Radharani, he will never give me. He'll borrow. He'll lend me, I'll pay back, still nothing. I have to steal. He's supposed to steal. He's expert in stealing activity. So he stole it. Entered into the core of the heart. You understand? It is stored up there. In the core of the heart. That invaluable asset, wealth, entered into there and stole it. Kutukira sastama bhutva. So he took up the mood of Radharani, therefore. So became Anta Krishna Bahir Gaura. They say, black is hue inside and outside is
Molten gold.
molten gold. So became like that. Now Gaura is Gaura. It's like the mellow is completely ripened. So now he's distributing and paying back the debt. I say, he's now fulfilling his 3 desires and paying back the debt. Yes, now debt is free. In form of Gaura, he paying back the debt and fulfills his 3 desires that remain unfulfilled in Brother Lila, Krishna Lila.
Why is it molten gold? Why molten?
Because in the intense heat, the gold melted. The pangs of separation, so strong heat is there, I say. The goldsmith puts pieces of gold into the little, the earthen puts it in the fire and blows, makes the fire ablaze, more ablaze. Very strong heat, then the gold becomes melted.
Mahaprabhu is of sonar goranga.
Yes.
Molten gold.
That's the color of molten gold. And the gold molted, it melts. That is the color. What is the color? That color. Yes. Heat is pangs of separation. That heat, so intense heat, very acute heat. So it is molten.
So he melted the inner chamber of
Inner
Radharani's
chamber
heart
of Radharani,
by the heat of separation.
heat of separation. So he entered and got it.
And the gold of prema started to flow outside.
Yes.
Molten color.
Yes, that flew outside and outside is molten gold, yes.
Guru Maharaj, you said before that we should chant the Hare Krishna mantra in the mood of Mahaprabhu, of intense devotion.
Yes.
What is the quickest way to develop that mood? What is the quickest way to develop that mood?
Dash your head. Cry. I can't get, oh, I can't reach. I can't touch it, I can't reach it, I can come near to it. I am such a self-condemnation, cry and cry. I am such a rascal. Mahaprabhu is giving such thing. So I can touch it, I can have it, I am far away from it. It's such a rascal. Yes, just self-condemnation. And cry, always cry. I can get. Life is finished, life is finished, gone, finished. This life, human life, what shall I do? I can't get in this life, what is the next life? Worm or stone, what is that? Just condemn. Just cry. Aprapti, not getting. Best. This is running after this material wealth, if you cannot get. I tried hard, made so many plans, project, efforts, still I can get. There's so deep thought also, anxiety also. The 10 conditions. 10 conditions I gave.
So many.
Dasaminasa. Then you feel that such conditions. Then you, this is by the association of a person who is feeling like that. Otherwise,